Hello and welcome to our next InnovaPhone myApps tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how to order, get started with and terminate the InnovaPhone hardware rental within the portal myInnovaphone. In order to conclude a hardware rental contract and to order rental devices, you will need to have a user account with myInnovaphone. Should you not have access to the portal myInnovaphone, please watch our myApps tutorial number 14, where we explain all the details on creating a user account. Once you have logged on to the portal myInnovaphone, you will need to conclude a general agreement on renting InnovaPhone hardware products. Please select the respective company, click on Add Contract and select Hardware Rental. If you would like to get more details on concluding the agreement in the portal myInnovaphone, please refer to our myApps tutorial number 15. Once you have concluded a hardware rental contract, we will check and confirm the contract. Now, you can rent hardware products via the button Order Rental Devices. Select the requested rental devices and add them to your order. When you are finished with your selection, please click on Continue. Now, you will see a list of all selected products with the respective ISC costs, as well as the total monthly fees, plus delivery costs. If no changes need to be made, click on Continue. Should the delivery address differ from the billing address, you can enter an alternative address for the shipping. Before concluding the order, you can change the type of shipment as well as the desired shipping date. Now, click on Order Liable to Pay. Please note that rental devices can only be used with InnovaPhone systems, excluding myApps for You promo installations. Further, the devices will exclusively work as rental devices. Now, let us set up the rental devices. Please note that sufficient InnovaPhone service credits, or ISC, need to be loaded onto the respective installation. For more information on ISC as a payment method, please watch our myApps tutorial number 17. Provisioning of rental devices follows the same procedure as the provisioning of bought devices and may differ depending on the device. Once the devices have been provisioned successfully, they will be displayed within the Devices app. Click on the suitable domain and then on the tab Rental. You will see a tab labeled with Hardware. All provisioned rental devices are listed here. Rental fees in form of ISC apply to the rental devices, either once the devices have been provisioned or after a maximum of 10 days after shipment. The charging of fees for the rental will begin automatically. If you would like to terminate the hardware rental for devices, please go to the Devices app and go to the tab Rental Contracts, Defects. Select the respective device and tick the box Cancel Rental Contract. Then click on Apply. You will see an overview of your active and changed configuration with the applicable fees. Please note that once you click on Chargeable Change, the terminated or defective devices will need to arrive back at InnovaPhone within 10 days. Otherwise, rental fees will continue to be billed in form of ISC. Terminated devices are no longer listed within the Devices app. They can now be sent back to InnovaPhone. Please do not forget to add the return shipment form when returning the hardware. The return shipment form for hardware rental is available on our website along with additional information. Simply download the PDF, fill in the required information, and add the form to your return shipment. Visit our website, our tutorials app within myApps, and our YouTube channel and take a look at the many myApps tutorials we have prepared for you. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.